Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to enable message previews for Telegram groups so you can see a snippet of incoming messages right from your notifications without opening the app. If you're part of multiple group chats, this small setting can make a big difference. It helps you quickly decide which messages need your attention and which ones can wait. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts appear and behave across chats, groups, and channels. Now, select Groups. Since we're focusing specifically on group messages, this is where you'll adjust the settings that apply to all your group conversations. Look for the option labeled Show Message Previews. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. When this setting is enabled, Telegram will display a short preview of incoming group messages directly in your notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned on message previews for Telegram groups. With this feature enabled, you'll be able to glance at your notifications and instantly understand what's being discussed without opening every message. It's especially useful if you're in busy groups where messages come in frequently. If you ever change your mind or want more privacy, you can always come back to the same setting and turn message previews off. That's all for now. Stay organized, stay informed, and enjoy a smoother Telegram experience.